Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable black and white screen view on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under this video. Be sure to write your comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get down to this topic. And now I will show you everything step by step. If you have on your iPhone, let's say by accident you or someone else turned on the black and white view of the screen, or you've turned it on before, but you don't remember how to turn it off, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. And as you can see, when you have this black and white view of the screen active, it's everything. All icons, shortcuts, and applications have a black and white view. It's very easy to turn this off. Open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom. Go to Advanced. Next, in Display and Text Size. After that, you'll need to scroll down here and find the Color Filters option. Next, in Color Filters, you'll see that you have them active and you have this black and white filter enabled. And to turn that effect off, just click right here on this button to turn off any color filters on your iPhone. Now the appearance of any settings, apps, as well as the menu itself on your iPhone will go back to the way it was and all the colors will be in place. Here is such a quick and simple method you can easily disable the black and white screen appearance on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes. Bye-bye.